Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Welcome to drboycetv.com. This is the home for intelligent Black people. My name is Dr. Boyce Watkins, and we are all about investing. We're all about building our wealth. We're all about making good decisions and breaking generational curses and putting our people ahead of the curve. I want to say hello to everybody. I hope you are doing well. This is a Friday night, and finally got a little bit of time to sit down and have a conversation with you. And so I wanted to talk about this stock market crash. This market was pretty ugly. Bad things happened. Hey, Sherelle, how are you? It got ugly. It got real ugly. And how many of you were kind of feeling the heat a little bit? How many of you saw your portfolios kind of get beat up a little bit? If you did, join the club. It was raining outside. Everybody got wet. Damn near everybody got wet. And for those of you that study stock options with us in the Black Business School, you will know that this is why we buy our put options because days like today, you're glad to have your puts because it could always be worse than it was. So I want to say hello to Fit Crypto and Michelle Sainsbury, Serge, Janet Milner, Andrea Jackson, Felicia Jackson. Good to see you. And just so you know, I switched up my setup in my background a little bit in my studio. Let me know what you think about that if you like it. And let me know if you can hear me okay. Can you give me a quick yes if you are able to hear me okay? I'm testing out a new microphone. And so I could use your help in knowing if I am communicating properly. All right. So basically, let's talk about what happened today. The stock market just kind of crapped on everybody. It was one of those days, man. You know, things go bad. I saw the big trigger I saw was inflation and the uncertainty around tariffs. Now, I've talked to you guys about tariffs and inflation and some of those issues before, and you can see with the S&P 500, it just got ridiculous and got super ugly, and a lot of things dropped, and it went down 700 points. 700 is a big number for the Dow or for the S&P 500. And it says stock here on CNBC, stocks sold off sharply on Friday, pressured by growing uncertainty on U.S. trade policy, as well as a more grim outlook on inflation. The Dow Jones closed down 715 points. Shares of several tech giants dropped, putting pressure on the broader market. Google dropped 4.9%, Meta and Amazon dropped 4.3%. This week, the S&P 500 lost 1.53%, while the 30 stock Dow shed 0.96%. That's almost 1%. That's a big deal. So what happened here, Paulo, is that basically the market got hit by two major things, and that is uncertainty, which is pretty familiar right now. I mean, by this time, we're kind of used to the idea that because nobody knows exactly how Trump is going to implement his tariff policy, that's created uncertainty. Uncertainty is not the friend of the stock market. Uncertainty will drop the price of any asset. Number two, the inflation numbers came back and they just didn't look good. It says here that Friday's core personal consumption expenditures price index also came out hotter than expected, rising 2.8% in February and reflecting a 0.4% increase for the month,